Well, good morning to you and welcome to my channel. My name's Dave and today I'm going out on my sparkly clean H2SX, meeting up with a few of the boys, and we're going to have a ride up to Derbyshire. So it's a bit of a moist morning. We love a bit of moist in the morning, don't we? So I'm not expecting the bike to be clean when I get back, but just wanted to take it in right now while it is nicely polished. Well, first stop is Wednesbury, and I've already got a warning on the screen saying, I think that's saying my key battery is running low. So yeah, there's that. But hello. Let's get the boys. So yeah, I think today we're off up to Monyash. So we're going to go to Lichfield first, and we're going to have some special guests today. Some people I haven't seen in quite a while. So really excited for that. We're going to go to Lichfield first, and then branch off, and then buzz up to Monyash. Now the roads around here are horrendous. Horrendous as in potholey, and the roads are just shockingly bad. And last year when we went up to Derbyshire, they was awful, so I'm not looking forward to riding the Derbyshire roads today, I can tell you that. But let's get up to Wednesbury, let's go meet Moist Decoy. Hopefully his battery's working today on his bike. See, it's a brand new bike actually, he's got a new bike. This might be first time he's been out on it properly, or second time, I don't know, I'll have to ask him. But there's somebody else coming as well, which you'll see when we get there. Who see ya? Alright, Matt! We got Matt on his beautiful Beamer, and look at Si. On his Triumph. The pole. We ain't done nothing yet. Yeah, I wouldn't rev your bike up, mate. Yeah. Activate silent running. Is this the first time you've been out? Yeah. Hey! Who we got here then? You alright?
I'm alright, lad.
You ain't got a puncher, have you?
No, they're just low.
Just topping them up.
Yeah, they're just low.
We got the mighty carts here, and it's beautiful. Triumph, twin bikes, just different colours. But we're going to go off to Monyash now. Oh, which is about an hour and 10 minutes away, something like that. Should be a nice little ride in the sunshine. Let's get it on. I need some, now you've said that, I need some hose ends. Me hoses broke. Boats and hose. And when I come, I produce a quart. It's the best film out, isn't it? Oh, I can barely hear you, Steve. Have you got your mic on your foot? Careful. Fanny batter. That's got to be the name for our band site. Yeah, got 8 degrees. It's going to be 15 at home. I'm not. I'm just giving out information. Could be worse. You could live in Tehran. Well, we're about 10 minutes away from Monyash. The ride up's been slow, and it's bloody windy. But there's cars everywhere and average speed cameras from our end up here, and it's not looking nice over there. I could tell thee that. But the temperature's dropped quite rapidly. So today it's going to be about 14 degrees at home. It's 7 degrees here according to the bike. But it's been a nice pleasant little ride up. One problem I have got is my visor's now screwed, so the pin lock has snapped off, so I can't shut the visor all the way. It just instantly steams up. I can't see a bloody thing, so I'm having to sort of manage that, which is a bit of a nightmare. So this is the 3rd visor I've had for this HJC helmet. They're rubbish, absolute rubbish. The clips break on the front of them, the pin locks break off. It's going to have to be a new helmet jobby, I think. But let's get off to Monyash and see who's about. New Haven. Wasn't that the pub at the end of the world or whatever? Yeah, Simon Pegg, you know, where there was like blue aliens. Yeah, I was trying to do the 12 pubs or something. I thought that place was called New Haven. That's a good film, man. Really good film. This bit's alright, but oof, it's Monyash is like riding on the moon. Oh, Jesus fuck Christ. I'm not dragging you out of a gravel pit again, mate. Fuck it. Oh, fucking. Oh, fuck it out. Monyash. This'll do. Yeah, there's loads of room up here. Right, let's go and get a cup of tea, hey? You're right there, Hulk. Hulk smash. Well, that was Monyash. Lovely jubbly. Oh. We're going off to the Nitro Diner now, whatever that is. It's about an hour away. So, see a bit more of this Derbyshire countryside. Oh, it's nice here, look at that. Hey! Hey! Oh, wait. Tractor of death. Give it a couple of minutes and that Range Rover will break down. Be able to get round him in a minute. Nitro Diner. Have I been here? I don't know. Yeah, so the Nitro Diner was shut after all that. It's only 1 o'clock. So we're going to hit up the A38, I think it is, on the way back. Get some fuel and then have a blast down the dual carriageways, because it's got bloody cold all of a sudden and very, very, very windy. The bike is filthy again. But there we go. And well, it was inevitable, wasn't it? It's raining. I've got all my gear out. It's all getting wet. But at least it might clean some of the dirt off the bike. Well, we've got a couple of hours to get back, so hopefully it's nicer down south. I think it's quite nice where I live, actually. The missus has been saying, oh, it's been sunny here. Well, it's raining up here. Well, the Neon Nitro, whatever it was, cafe was shut. So we've just stopped off at Mackie D's to get some fuel and some petrol. I think we're near Matlock, so we've still got about an hour and a half to get home. And the rain stops, the weather's getting nicer as we get further down south. So it's all good. Let me show you the bike. OMG. Man, I spent 3 hours cleaning this last week. Right, let's have a break. Sudbury Hall. A good family day out. Terms and conditions apply. May not be good at all. It's like Himley Hall, isn't it? You can walk around that as well. And how much for a slice of cake? Go back, go! Oh, Matt. Sunshine, finally. Look at that. Big ball of sun. Ah, it's gone. Thought he was John Travolta then, Matt. What a lovely day it's turned out to be down here. Ah, she's blissful. So, how have you been doing? Been alright? We're about halfway home, still got an hour to go. But it's gone from 7 degrees up in Derby. We're at 12 at the moment, heading Ashbourne way. So it's getting warmer the further south we go. Where have you been? You've been alright, have you? So today for me was, this is like a longer ride out, so I need to see how my back can cope with it. And it's been okay, I can feel it pulling. I think inside, I know it's been a while since I've had the up, but inside I can still feel it trying to pull apart, if it makes sense. So I'm trying to take it easy and use the cruise where I can, so I can take my hand off and, you know, chill out. It's over my right shoulder blade area. But no, it's been good today. The bike's been lovely and comfy. I've got these little bar risers on it now, and it's absolutely fine. And these roads, I much prefer these roads, these A roads, to all that crap we was on earlier. And this is just bliss, just wafting along. It's just fantastic. The little villages, lovely. But I hope you're okay. We're in Check It Out now. Your Yoxall brother at the moment. So we're just going through Yoxall. Shame the Nitro Cafe was shut. So I've never been there. It would have been nice to see what's going on in there. It was literally just shutting the doors as we walked up, which is a shame. There you go. So yeah, heading off into a bit of warmer weather. Well, let me just say that was a cracking day out. We've done some miles today. which told me a lot, to be honest. So I wanted to make sure I could do longer journeys and all that kind of stuff, and I feel absolutely fine. We've been out for 9 hours today. Great ride out. Great to see Steve and to see Si and to see Matt. Really miss them guys, so yeah, I really enjoyed that one. Just got the last little bit to do now, and then I'm back. The bike is, again, absolutely filthy. It's really annoying because I put loads of effort into it last week. Yeah, so I got it all polished up nice for today. But them Derbyshire roads just full of everything. Well, there you go. It was definitely worth going out though. I really enjoyed that. We avoided most of the day was just overcast and sunny spells, so we only had like 15 minutes of rain and then it sort of buggered off, which was really nice. And the further we got down here, warmer it got, so we're at 11 degrees now. But that was super sweet, man. This bike just, man, it just sails along. It absolutely doesn't miss a heartbeat. It's a phenomenal machine. I still love it. But yeah, let's show it a bit more love, get it back, see if we can get it clean, and then tuck it up until the next ride. So that's it for this one. I hope you enjoyed that. And if you did, maybe give me a little like, little thumbs up. Maybe subscribe if you're not currently a subscriber. If you don't want to do any of that though, don't worry about it. You're still very welcome. But the next time I go out, hopefully I'll have a new visor or a new helmet, one of the two. Because this is doing my head in. I can't even close it. It just steams up immediately. Okay, well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next vid. Alright? You take care. Bye-bye.